let's see how to annotate in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, if this is a document that was sent to us and we were asked to review it, then we'll have to annotate or put some comments in the document. Now, to do that, simply highlight the text that you want to comment on. For example, let's highlight this first line of text. Go into the review tab right here and click on new comment. And as you can see here, you can type your comment. So let's go ahead and do that. Click send, and that comment should show up right here. And when you send this document back, especially you can save it and send it back, this comment will show up on their document or PC as well. And that is how you annotate in Microsoft Word. See you soon.